When you log on to the SAP S/4HANA system, the first screen you see is SAP Fiori Launchpad. It gives you the relevant information that you need at a glance and centers on your needs, how you work. SAP Fiori Launchpad is the shell that hosts SAP Fiori applications and provide the applications with services such as navigation, personalization, embedded support, and application configuration. The SAP Fiori Launchpad is the entry point to SAP Fiori applications on mobile and desktop devices. My Home is the standard entry page and it is divided into different sections. You can view your to-dos, news, pages, applications, insights tiles, and insights cards on this page. Further, the make it mine approach, you can personalize the entry page to hide or display specific sections as well as the content maintained within these sections. To view other sections, click here to scroll down. You can now see the apps and insights tiles. You can notice insights cards on further scroll down. In addition to My Home, you can see one or more spaces depending on your user roles. The spaces are displayed in the navigation bar where you can switch between the different available spaces. Space holds a page. The page shows you the applications that are relevant for your daily work. On a page, the apps are clustered into different sections. Also see the personalized spaces and pages. The SAP Fiori Launchpad shell bar is part of the SAP Fiori Launchpad. The shell bar contains various buttons, icons, and a logo. Depending on the features that are enabled where you are working in the Launchpad, you can see the following: home icon, global search, SAP Joule, SAP Copilot, help, notifications, user actions menu. Some of the options described here, SAP Copilot and the buttons you see in the shell header will vary according to the platform you are using and the features that are enabled. The SAP Fiori Launchpad offers a global search across all applications and business objects. So, search functions in the package working with applications. You can open the in-app help using the help icon. The help cursor appears with help content or additionally further information on how to find help. SAP Fiori Launchpad provides a notifications window to inform you about important tasks and requests requiring your timely actions, knowledge. It displays the alert, tasks, or requests that are related to your business role. You can prioritize notifications or group them with similar items to access more information about your notifications and act on them immediately. To choose the notifications area, choose notifications again. The user actions menu offers user-related options to open apps, to change the Launchpad layout, or to contact support. This is available from every screen. The menu gives you direct access to many features. At the top of the menu, you can see your username. In the application finder list all the applications that you can use. It is convenient tool for finding apps and adding them to your home page. My home settings enables you to access the home page in edit mode so that you can organize your launchpad to suit your daily tasks. If it offers you additional control over the visibility and placement of applications and groups on the home page. You can add, rearrange, or remove tiles. You can also create, rearrange, delete, or temporarily hide groups. Select My Home settings. You can choose to display or hide the sections based on your needs. You can also reposition the sections to display in order of your choice. Just drag and drop the sections until they match the order you wish to see. To reset the entry page to its initial settings maintained by your administrator, you can use the reset options. Choose close. The to do section displays your tasks and situations. The counter directly shows you the number of tasks or situations that need your attention. You can expand section by clicking show more to view the maximum of 100 tasks or situations based on your screen size. You can also refresh your tasks and situations by choosing the refresh icon that is available in the screen. The icon also displays the time of the last refresh. To access all your tasks, click Go to All Tasks from drop-down icon of the section. Each section offers a drop-down icon with all the available actions, including the My Home Settings option. The news section is enabled by default, displays user-relevant news and other updates, and also can be configured by administrators. The section is automatically populated with the content maintained in the Release Assessment Scope Dependency RASD tool-based newsfeed. You can personalize the newsfeed based on your chosen line of business by selecting the Manage News option from drop-down icon. In the Pages section, the first 8 unique pages of your configured spaces are displayed by default. A maximum of 8 pages can be displayed at a time. These pages have predefined color and an icon that can be set by an administrator. The space name for a page is displayed as a subtitle. If the title of the page and its space name are the same, then only the page name is displayed as the title. You can rearrange your selected pages using drag and drop. You can add or remove any page that you want to see by selecting the Manage Pages option from the drop-down icon. From the subsequent My Home Settings dialog, you can select your preferred pages within the Pages tab. If you select a new page to be displayed, it automatically appears after the existing pages. The Apps section includes the following: the favorites and recently used, mostly used, recommended, 4 options available. What is there in the favorites? This tab is automatically populated based on the distant list of applications that were configured in your My Home entry page. Within the favorites tab, you can rearrange the tiles using drag and drop. Select the color of the app tile or delete an app to add more applications to this tab. You can access Apps Finder by selecting the Add Apps. You can also create groups within this section by either choosing the create group option, by dragging and dropping one application over another, or by accessing the option to create groups from the overflow icon of the specific application. Recently used section, the apps that are displayed in this tab are an interactive history of the items you have searched for and worked with recently. Most used, this tab displays the application that you have searched for and opened or used most frequently over the last 30 days. Recommended section, the tab offers application suggestions using SAP Business AI, artificial intelligence, based on your user specific role assignment. The recommended tab is displayed by default if there are no applications available on your favorites tab. You can enable or disable this tab using the advanced settings from the My Home settings dialog. The Insights tiles section displays dynamic content where you can monitor valuable KPIs at a glance. You can view all the tiles in an expanded mode by choosing the Show More. You can rearrange the tiles using drag and drop. Note that the option is expand the section is only available when not all the added tiles are visible on the entry page. The section is automatically populated based on the distant list of monitoring applications that were configured in your classic My Home page. You can add new applications to this section using the Add Tiles option from the subsequent Add from Favorites Applications dialog. You can add tiles from the Favorites tab of the Application section. When My Home in SAP S/4HANA Cloud, you can add analytical list and table cards to the entry page. These cards are part of your overview page, analytical list page, and the list report pages. From the SAP Fiori Elements app, you can add a card to the Insights cards section from the overview page by choosing the More option from a card and selecting Add Card to Insights to add a card from the list report page. Choose Add Card to Insights from the Table Overflow icon. These cards offer further navigation options to their respective applications when you click on the card header or content area. You can select a maximum of 10 cards. We can select a maximum of 10 cards to be displayed within the section. You can rearrange cards using drag and drop directly on the entry page. On top of the start page is a navigation bar showing your assigned spaces and pages. You can personalize the spaces and pages shown in the navigation bar. You can pin and unpin spaces using personalized navigation bar. To see the list of pages for the internal sales space, open the More drop-down. All pages assigned to you on your personalized launchpad are shown in the list. To open the page and see the tiles assigned to it, you can select it. Applications or other content are displayed as tiles on the SAP Fiori Launchpad. A tile is container that represents an application on the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Tiles are used for Launchpad applications and displaying them on the Launchpad. You can launch a tile or application in lean mode by right-clicking on the tile. In the lean mode, the back icon only appears after further in-place navigation and the home button is removed from the navigation hierarchy. To open the application, select a tile. Select the Manage Sales Orders tile. So the Manage Sales Orders applications open. The application title displays in the header at the top of the screen. On choosing the SAP or company logo takes you back to the home page. So to close the application and return to the Launchpad, choose SAP. Choose the user action menu. You can choose settings to display dialog box that contains the following attributes: user account, appearance, space and pages, user activities if implemented, language and region, user profiling if implemented, default values, notifications. Choose settings. Here you can view, maintain the different settings for your Launchpad. To return to the Launchpad, choose cancel. To log out of the system, select sign out. Confirm with OK. You have successfully used SAP Fiori Launchpad.